Time to talk to Imran Tahir just to get a feeling, I guess, of what he feels at the present moment. Imran, how are you, first of all?
I'm very good, thanks.
Tell me of the occasion. It is a big occasion. Number one, because essentially you come back home.
Yeah, it is lovely to be back here. Obviously catch up with my family and the more importantly be here for a good cause. And I just really honored to be participate in this. I think it's a good thing that if we play here these 3 games and cricket come back here. So look, I'll probably look back in 10 years time and say, look, I was in the team who came here and did this. So yeah, really looking forward for the next 3 days.
That being said, did that make it simpler for you in terms of the decision to end up coming on the trip?
Yeah, look, probably personally, yes. I'm born and brought up here, been coming over here, been seeing my family, and yeah, look, probably easier than the other guys. But look, been talking to everyone's pretty relaxed, and yeah, like I said, they're really looking forward for it.
Was there a whole lot of bouncing off with regard to stuff and what to kind of discuss in terms of coming here for the other guys talking to you?
Yeah, like I said, I think so. But I feel in the squad, I think everyone's pretty easy, and I think we just here to think that we're gonna play cricket, and I think that's what we're thinking at the moment, rather than thinking about the other stuff.
Let's talk about the cricket that you are going to play and the guys that you have assembled. Not a whole lot of time to kind of go with the planning and so forth. What are your expectations of yourself and the rest of your squad?
Look, we're here to play cricket, like I said, and obviously would like us to win this series. And look, it's not like another game of cricket. It's playing an international game, and been representing South Africa. Don't like to losing, to be honest. So, but yeah, look, we here to win, and obviously they've got a good side as well. So we're really up for a challenge, and we want people to watch good cricket.
We're hoping to see Imran Tahir celebrations. Will they be particularly special being here?
Not really. Look, I think I mentioned that before. I just need to take wickets for that if I want to celebrate. And look, definitely I grew up here. I would like to celebrate if I pick up wickets in any games, and yeah, really express myself like I always do, because I think it's absolute pleasure playing this game, and I'm really lucky to be here where I am today. Thanks to Cricket South Africa been giving me the opportunity I always desire and fulfill my dreams.